So we're at Automechanica 2024, and here we don't only show our brands, we also show our possibilities when it comes to so-called private labeling products, which in our case means we're opening our R&D, our production, our marketing experience to customers who would already have their own brand or like to have their own brand, where we try to put their ideas into products, meaning we don't want to sell you a product that already exists, but we want to develop your products together with us so that they are truly unique and you can offer something that reflects your ideas, that is designed for your target audience. All of it is developed together with us in Germany. It's also produced by us, and we offer a unique full package when it comes to this experience. We've been doing this for the last 17 years, and if you're interested, please feel free to contact us. We can send you some more information on numbers, on possibilities. Also, we welcome all the private label customers for factory tours, for co-development, for co-testing, design, everything you would like. We do it in-house. You can see how we do it in-house. You can have the full experience. Yeah, if you have a brand, if you're interested in doing your own brand, you're more than welcome to do it together with us, and we're looking forward to hearing from you.